In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to private your Facebook account, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin by clicking on Menu at the bottom right corner, and then click on Settings and Privacy. You're going to click on Settings, and then you can actually go to the search bar and search on Lock. Now, this is a new preference that has been added, and some people may not have it yet, so we are going to save that for another video. The next thing you're going to do to actually private your Facebook account is to go down and search up for privacy. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of changes that have happened in Facebook where there's a lot of different settings that have been changed, and there is just different ways that you have to do things. So, to begin, I'm going to search privacy. Now, as you can see, there's a privacy policy, and you're going to have this privacy checkup, and you can actually see who can see what you share and how people can find you on Facebook. So I'm going to click on who can see what you share, and as you can see, you can change who actually can see your profile. For me, who can see your friends list on your profile, you can change this to only you. Who can see the people, pages, and lists that you follow, you can change that to only you. Now, there's multiple pages. You can see your default audience, and if you want your Facebook to be truly private, you're going to click on that and make it actually only me. But if you want your friends to see it, you can say friends, or you can do friends except, and then you can actually select friends that you want to exclude from the people that can see your account. And as you can see, you can do this for stories, reels, etc. There's a lot you can do with privacy, but that's really all there is to it to private your Facebook account, as long as you make sure your default audience and stories, reels are all just to you or to your friends. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.